In this video, I will show you how to see messages on Instagram without seeing. First, open your Instagram app and head to the messages by tapping on the icon in the top right corner. Now, to read a full message without it being marked as seen, turn on airplane mode to disconnect your phone from Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. And make sure everything is disconnected before proceeding. Now that you are offline, go back to Instagram and tap on the message. And you will be able to read it completely without the sender knowing since your phone is disconnected. And it would not send a seen notification to the other person. After reading the message, do not turn off airplane mode just yet. First, log out of your Instagram account to make sure the seen status does not register. To log out, go to your profile, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. In the settings menu, scroll down and click on log out. Once logged out, close the app completely. Now you can turn airplane mode off and reconnect to Wi-Fi or mobile data. This step is important to ensure that your message stays marked as unread. After turning off airplane mode, log back into your account. You can do this by opening the app and signing back in with your credentials. And once you are back in, you will notice the message is still marked as unread, and the sender would not know that you have already read it. Remember, it is essential to log out after reading the message in airplane mode. And if you do not log out before turning off airplane mode, Instagram will mark the message as seen as soon as you reconnect to the internet.